How to create your demo account on MT5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app. And now you can see there is settings icon at the bottom right corner of this section. So just tap on that settings icon and you can see new account at very top. So just tap on that new account. So for creating a demo account, you can see there is meta course limiter options on in the screen. So once you tap on it, if you already have an account of demo version, then you can simply enter your login ID and your password in here on in the screen, and your once credentials is done, simply tap on sign in just down below of this screen, which will be enabled afterward, and you will be able to log in successfully to your demo account. But for now, let's create a demo account. So you can see there is demo account at the top, so just tap on that demo account option, and you need to enter your KYC and credentials in here. So you can see it is asking us for our first name, last name, and so on. And you can also modify your account informations like account type, leverage, deposit. So for example, let's tap on deposit and let me choose this 5 million USD. So once everything's done, simply enable the accept option, and you can see the register option has been enabled. So you simply need to tap on the register, and yeah, your demo account has been created successfully. So now you can see your login ID, password, and investor ID as well. So what you can do is you simply can copy your credentials by tapping on copy to clipboard, and once you tap on it, you can just paste or store in some safe places. So afterwards, simply tap on start, and yeah, your demo account has been created successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to create your demo account in MT5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.